Hey you guys, so right now I have on these really cute but tiny stiletto full cover nail tips. I'm using them as regular nail tips because these are so small. Like the thumb didn't even fit over my whole thumb. I bought these because Emily Susanna, who I absolutely love, I love her channel, she had recommended these as, you know, full cover tips from a cart. And I was like, okay, cool. Like I didn't even know they made stiletto full cover nail tips. Like I didn't know Macart did. So I bought them on Amazon, and when I got them, I was like, these are a little small for my fingers, and I don't even think I have really big nail beds. Like, I don't know. I mean, I think they're like average size, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, they're so tiny. I could literally only use like 4 of the sizes. So I do not recommend them if you have normal size nail beds. If you do have tiny nail beds, you will probably like them. So I don't know, I might use them again. I told my sister I would just give them to her because she's got little tiny baby fingers, so I think they would probably work out for her. And I am not going to be showing y'all my like regular nail prep in this video because honestly my cuticles on this hand were a little sad. I can't lie. I had a little bit of extra gel because, okay, here's the story. I was trying to film a nail tutorial for you guys with dual forms, and if you've never used dual forms before, then you will not realize the struggle it is to get them to look good. It is such a like hit or miss, like it's ridiculous. So long story short, it was a flop, and I'm not even gonna post it because usually I don't mind posting, like, you know, when I mess up, but y'all, it just wasn't worth it. I wouldn't even put you through the struggle. Like, and I don't think that I'm a super duper beginner, but girl, never again, never in life. So I am taking my Burano 3-in-1. Y'all know if you watch my videos, this is my obsession. And you guys, I love Burano so much that literally my last video, I was talking about how like everyone's been wanting this nail gel, and they used my nail picture from the set that I worked on with them. They used my nail picture to tell everybody that they are going to be, you know, releasing it as its own product. So yes, I was super gassed about that. But on to the good stuff. Sorry I'm talking you guys' heads off. I'm taking this clear polygel from Beetles, and I'm taking this Essie regular nail polish, you guys, regular nail polish. This came out from like I think last year's fall collection, I'm pretty sure. And this is literally the perfect fall color. It's such a caramel butterscotch color. It is beautiful. Now I saw this whole method on Kristina Couture Nails. I love her too. I don't get to watch as many of her videos because she posts a lot, but I did catch this video because I have a lot of regular nail polish that I don't touch because, you know, obviously once you switch to gel, you know, you realize gel has no scent. It's faster, it's easier. So it was kind of cool to be able to use like regular nail polish again. I'm not gonna lie to you, the scent at first, I am not used to it, so it takes a little bit, but once you're sitting there, you get used to it. So y'all will see after I did a little test cure, it cured perfectly. It wasn't sticky, it wasn't lumpy, it was perfect. So I'm kind of trying just to apply it to my nail to see how to apply it the best way. Now, once you add the nail polish, it gives it such a like builder gel texture. It was crazy. And when I tell you, you will see that I use absolutely no kind of slip solution for this product. I didn't need it. Like this literally was the texture of builder gel. Like, look at this color. It is so pretty. I could not get over it. So I did do 2 layers of the gel. I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't putting on too much. And as you'll see, my technique is kind of like the same I do for builder gel, where I'm kind of just building up the nail as I go up. I found this super duper easy to work with. This product did not mess up my brush at all. It was pretty much working with a regular colored gel. And as you guys will see, this product does self-level. Like, seriously, this is a game changer. Like, I don't even know how she found out to do this or what even made her want to try it, but girl, you know, hands up to you. You killed it. Like, this is amazing. Could you imagine how much money you can save by just buying a clear polygel and having any affordable nail polish work with this? Like, seriously? Like, my mind is blown. I will say that the Beetles Polygel, it has a very interesting texture. Like, it's not completely smooth like a lot of, like, you know, like a Savaland or like a Burano polygel. It's got a little bit of like grit, and I don't mean grit in like a bad way. It just has a little bit of texture that once, you know, you file it, you don't notice, but when you are blending it onto your nails, as you guys will see in, like, I think my next nail, you will realize it has a little bit of a textural element to it. Okay, so right now I'm taking the Beetles foil glue and I'm putting on just a thin layer because I will be using one of these foils. I have these really cute little Louis Vuitton nail foils I got in a foil kit from Amazon. It was like the only one that was designer. It was so random, but as soon as I picked this color out, I was like, I think these foils are like the same as the color, and they actually were, so it was perfect. I'm just taking this little pen I got in a like a nail kit that came with jewels, and I don't know, I just tried rubbing it on and honestly it worked really well. So hey, you guys saw my struggle in my last video. I'm still learning with the foils, but I love them. I will say for this part, I wish I would have went ahead and sealed this with that Burano 3-in-1. I did it for the pinky nail, but I didn't do it for this one because, as you guys will see, once I like for all my ombres, I kind of do it the same way and kind of just like lightly fade the color up till like it's nothing. But as y'all can see, the polygel had a little bit of grit, so you could kind of see a little bit of that. But once I, you know, clear capped it, you couldn't really tell. But I would recommend, just to kind of keep the clarity of the nail, if you kind of like seal it up with a base coat. Y'all, this was so easy to work with. Like, if you know me, you know I love builder gel. I do a lot of polygel videos, but builder gel is my baby, and this reminded me so much of builder gel. So I'm taking this glitter mix that I made and some of that clear polygel, and as you can see, I put on way too much glitter, so I'm just pouring some of that back into the container, and I am just mixing that with some tweezers. And yeah, this was really thick. I probably could have thinned it out, but it still worked out well in the end. So as y'all will see, I'm kind of doing like a half nail, like doing a little cutout with the gel, so I'm only taking it up like half of the nail, I guess. And this was really easy to do as well. I think I could have got it done. I think I could have got it a little bit more like clean, but it's all good. If you can get it better than I can, then you kind of get the point of it. Like, y'all know I'm not perfect. Also, can y'all let me know down below, first of all, please leave me some comments. I love reading and responding to comments. Like, y'all are really like my friends. Like, it sounds weird to say, but y'all are my friends. So can y'all please start leaving me some more comments, letting me know what y'all want to see next, letting me know just how your life is going, what's going on with you, because y'all, I just need some more friends to talk to. Like, ugh, I don't know, but let me know if y'all are just wanting to see like fall and like Halloween looks, or if you're okay with more of like just the regular girly regular nails, because I'm trying to be creative, but it's hard. Like, my mom brain is like up there, so I'm trying to get creative, like try to get creative and trying to find new, you know, designs to do that not everyone else is doing, because y'all know everything that comes out, everyone just hops on the same bandwagon and does the same nails and does the same stuff. And it's no hate or no shade, but you know, coming up with your own ideas can be pretty hard. So definitely let me know down below if y'all are cool with me posting, you know, some random nail looks, not just seasonal appropriate. So y'all will see once all the nails are done, I am just gonna go ahead and clear cap some of the nails. Actually, I think I clear capped all the nails. Yeah, I'm clear capping all the nails with my IBD clear builder gel, as I always do. That way it's just gonna make it easier for me to file, and I'm not cutting through that polygel. And as you can see, I'm just taking my flashlight and I just cured between the layers. That way I can kind of do a full hand cure at the end. And I'm sorry if you guys hear like a whimpering sound. My neighbors, like, they have like a Great Dane, and the dog like lives above us and it's like howling. Like, so yeah, it's not the baby this time, it's a Great Dane, and it is howling. It's insane. They have the loudest dog on this planet. All right, on to the bling. Now, y'all know I am trying to start doing more like nail jewel designs. After my last video, I kind of had to redeem myself because, you know, I just gave y'all a simple look. So I got these gold little nail jewels from Amazon. I got a big kit and they actually gave me so many jewels. I was so surprised. But so y'all will see I'm kind of just taking those and just creating little different shapes and designs. This was my first time kind of like, you know, stepping out of my comfort zone with this and doing different shapes I've never tried before. You know, it could have been the White Claw, I don't know. The day that I filmed this, my 2-year-old had her second sleepover, so you know, I was at home just vibing out and jamming. So I was kind of getting into my creative bag, you know, doing my thing. And I think these turned out so cute. I absolutely loved this kit. I will link it down below because it had so many cute little like teardrop shapes and triangle shapes and diamond shapes. It was so cute. You don't get everything that I'm showing you here. This is a mixture of like 3 different kits, but the main one that I'm using, the really thick, like the really fully packed one, that kit was amazing. Oh, I forgot to mention, sorry you guys, I used my little rhinestone glue and top coat. You can use any kind of top coat, does not matter. And of course I'm doing my little cuticle cuff because these are so cute. Like, ugh, I'm obsessed. And I've also been obsessed with caviar beads. I think a lot of us have been. I don't know, they just make your nail jewels look 1,000 times more expensive, if that makes any sense. And will y'all also let me know down below what your favorite like nail length is, because I find myself always going for this like medium, almost close to long length, but I've been seeing a lot of like my favorite nail people do really long nails, and I don't know, are y'all into the short nails, the long nails, this length? Like, let me know down below. Right here y'all will see that I'm going over all of those little embellishments with top coat. Please top coat your designs. I know that we don't want them to get gunky and gross, but if you do not, the gold will tarnish. It will be fine for like the first 2 days, and then you'll see it start turning like a rose gold kind of rusted color. And yeah, I would just highly recommend you top coat them so that you don't have to worry about your design looking crusty. It also helps that, you know, they are all secure, especially the little tiny caviar beads. Those can sometimes be the first to go. So adding the top coat just makes sure that they stay on your nails where you want them to. Okay, and this is how they look right after curing. Y'all, I'm obsessed. I cannot believe how good this worked. Like, I wasn't thinking it was gonna work for me. I don't know why. Are you that kind of person where you see it work for somebody else, but you're like, that's not gonna work for me? But it did. I couldn't get over it. Like, y'all, I'm totally gonna do this more often. These turned out so adorable. I absolutely love them. They gave me all of the fall vibes that I needed. I will let you know down below if the extra, because I had extra gel left over, I will let you know if it dried up or got weird, or if it stayed nice and like wet like gel does. But yeah, y'all, this was the final product. I hope you loved it as much as I do, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you made it to the end, definitely leave me some hearts below. Bye, you guys.